Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be walking through how to properly use your heated round brush to properly style your hair after you get out of the shower. This one, I can tell you, has changed my life. I was a let's just go out of the house girly who didn't bother to straighten her hair because mine's long and somewhat thick and it takes a long time. So this is just so much easier to do after I get out of the shower. It's, and then again, it lasts me 3 days between shower, either not showering obviously, but between washes. So I just got out of the shower, just did my skincare video, which I hope you guys watch that one before you're watching this one. Just dry off our hair. And then I go in with the Aussie Total Miracle Leave-In. And then we just liberally spray our hair. And this is a leave-in conditioner. So there's no need to rinse, nothing. So I'm just liberally spraying it like all over the place. And then after that, we're going to go in with the Orlando Pita 10-in-1 treatment spray. This is for, you can use this on damp or dry hair, but essentially it's good for heat protection, reduces your hair from frizzing, shields from environmental stressors, manageability, split ends, the whole nine. So I go in afterwards and I really concentrate with this one on the ends. Not so much up by the scalp, but I really try to get my ends. And you don't need a whole lot. And then I like to brush this out from root to tip. I just use a flat paddle brush. And then we just brush. Make sure that we get that all worked in. And then after we're done with that, I'll spray the Loreal Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. This is up to 450 degrees of heat and it lasts for 3 days. And it smells really good. So I will take a little clippy, one of these guys, and I'll clip the top section of my hair. But like I said, I wasn't going to use any serum for my hair, but I actually am. This is the Color Care Protecting Serum. I don't do the tops because it makes my hair greasy. So like 2 pumps of this towards the ends. And we just want to work that through. Like I said that I wasn't going to put that in because I did last time, but it just doesn't feel right to leave him out of the game. So then I go in and I'll section the top section of my hair. And then with your clip, you just want to clip the top section. And then I start from left to right. Make sure that you brush your hair before you go in with your round brush. We want to try to avoid pulling our hair out if at all possible, but I know with round brushes that's easier said than done. So I don't actually know what brand this is because I've had it for a very long time. So, but I did find this at TJ Maxx and I really love it. Love it so much that I actually have the second one in white, one for home, or this one's for home, this one's for travel. And actually this one actually still has a logo on it and they're the same. So it's Lux X Willow. And I found these at TJ Maxx. I think I found them for like $16. It wasn't a lot. Like I said, I liked it so much. I bought the white one first, and then I went back like a day or two later and I was like, I don't think I'm going to find one for that price again, so I might as well just buy this one now. So I'm just going to go through and start round brushing, blow drying, whatever you want to call it. There's no method to my madness. The only method that I do have, or the only goal, is somewhat straight and then dry. Because I'm going to be going to bed shortly, and I do not like going to bed with wet hair. So now that we have majority of our back done, we can go through and feel what sections might need to be done again. I'm going to go ahead and take that clip out, and then we'll start working the top section. But again, brush your hair before you do this. Do not just take a round brush to wet hair and expect miracles. It's not good to do that. You'll start to see your hair fall out, and you don't want that. So another tip that you've probably seen me do is certain sections, like around this area or up top, I will hold the brush there just for a few seconds. You don't want to leave it there very long, because I'm sure you did see some of the steam coming off my hair. I don't know if you've ever seen straightening videos or round brush videos that require heat. This is 450 degrees on a good day when it's actually working well. 450 degrees for hair can and will fry your hair off. I recommend do not ever straighten your hair with a legitimate straightener, like a regular straightener, like my Chi, this guy. Never ever go in with that when your hair is wet. It will fry the hair right off your scalp. Always, 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 always keep heat moving on your head, because if you don't, you will find when you take the tool of your choice off the hair, that hair is going to be in your hand, and that's going to be a cry ugly moment. Now we're almost done, but I like to stop and I will brush my hair, see what the results looking like, see how the style is coming. I also have, I do pull my hair from the top towards the back, so it'll lay really nice for me. You can do whatever you want, but for the most part, this is kind of how I wear my hair. So probably another 2 or 3 minutes and we'll be all done. Okay guys, that finishes that. So we're gonna brush it out one more time. We're gonna see how we did. The hair is sitting nice on the head. It feels like a brand new haircut every time. Excuse me. And then to finish it off, I put a little bit of Victoria's Secret body spray in my hair. So we'll spray that. So good. And then that is how I use my round brush. You can use your brush any way you decide to do it. I do pull from the top, so my hair will lay down better. I don't know if I mentioned that. Also, what other tips can I give you? You can go in with a hair straightener afterwards if you're not necessarily looking for a curly look, because I find that the round brush doesn't always straighten. It gets it dry and then it gets the frizz out. Sometimes it doesn't go in and, like maybe you don't want to have the little curls. I do. I'm naturally curly as it is, and I do like a little texture to my hair. But yeah, that's how I use the round brush. So the other video that I wanted to mention to you guys is Wine Wednesday is coming up shortly, where we try a new bottle of wine every Wednesday and then we talk. This week's talk is going to be a little bit more get to know me, so stay tuned for that. And then we are going to be dyeing our hair probably next weekend. I'm going to plan for maybe next weekend, maybe at the end of this week. I'm going to be trying to go a little bit lighter than this. And this is actually quite considerably lighter than what it was years ago. Not too many years ago, maybe a year, maybe two now, I don't know. I was platinum blonde. Then we moved into our new house, which has hard water, and that platinum blonde turned into copper color. So I just went back to my natural hair color. Now it's a little too dark and I am getting gray. All that you see up here that looks really shiny, it's not highlights. That's your girl's natural color. And I'm not quite sure how I feel about that one. That's a lot to swallow. Anyway, thank you for joining me in my bathroom once again. After a shower, we just did our skincare routine. We just did our hair care routine. Thank you for watching. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all that. Trying to grow the following. I can't do it without each and every one of you. Please tell your friends about me. And keep watching. You never know what you're going to find. Go out in the world, be great. It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. Being a girl's hard.